I'm Mary Catherine with drippingspringsollas, and thanks for joining me today. One of the questions that we get very often is, do I have to dig up my Olla in the winter? And it's a good question. I'll tell you a little something about the Ollas that makes them unique from other Ollas. One is the walls of these are very thick. The lids, you can see that, and the walls are very, very thick here. They're so thick you can drill a hole in them and connect them together. They're very thick and they're sturdy. The clay is made from clay out of the Baja Peninsula. It's known for being strong clay. And also it's fired for a low temperature for a long time. This Olla, and everyone just like it, can take a lot of shoveling and can take a lot of wear and tear. Do you have to give it that wear and tear in the fall and dig it up? That is the burning question. Well, there's a video right behind this, so let's get to it. Today we're going to talk about digging up an Olla. Now you don't have to dig up the Ollas in the winter for dripping springs. They have been tested and they're cold tolerant. But by cold tolerant, that means that there are some cases they might break, and that is if there's water in the Olla when it freezes. So how you take care of that is you make sure that there's no water in the Olla at least 2 weeks before the freeze date. But let's say that you actually want to move your Olla into another place in your yard, and that's what we're doing today. It's a very simple thing. It just takes really less than a minute. Now this Olla has been down here, I don't know, so many years I've stopped counting. It's almost solid clay down here. And I'm moving it because I've changed what I want to do in this area. So I'm just trying to find the edge of the Olla is what I'm doing here. But I don't shove it with my handy dandy shovel and break it. So I found the edge. I can see the curve on it. And that's all I need to do. And then I'm going to lower this down. And then just lift it up. And that's how you do it. Doesn't take very long. Now this Olla is ready to move someplace else into the yard, and I'll have it to use again. It's that simple. Happy gardening.